Today I will bring you a BOKE DaliSet programming demo. Wiring diagram. First, connect your Windows computer with your DALI programmer using a USB cable. The DALI programmer is then connected to the DALI bus or DALI driver. The drive needs to be powered up. Next, open the BOKE DaliSet programming software. Set the relevant parameters. You can select the language in the upper right corner of the software. You can choose Chinese or English. The lower left side of the software allows you to check the device connection status. The device is connected and the background is green, orange when the device has been disconnected. Next, do a device search. Extended search. You can search for all devices in the DALI network, and if there are devices that are not assigned a short address will be assigned to them. Only search devices. You can quickly search for all devices in the DALI network. Reassign address. You can reassign a short address to all devices in the DALI network. Click the button below to start your search. When you're done searching, click the OK button in the dialog box. You can add the searched device to the device tree. If you close the window directly, no devices will be added to the device tree. Device locator. This function is mainly used to locate the device. Click Start, and the lights of the device in the positioning state will be flashing. As you can see, the light of the luminaire on the right is controlled by the A0 device. The light of the lamp on the left is controlled by the A1 device. Click on device I0 to set the parameters for that device. Short address assigns a short address to the device. You can control devices to join up to 16 groups. Here we join the G0 and G1 groups. The device grouping settings take effect in real time. The dimming settings can control the brightness and color temperature of the device in real time. In the basic settings below, you can set parameters such as scene, minimum brightness, and maximum brightness. After these parameters are set, they need to be written to take effect. LED module. You can set whether to enable fast fade time and choose linear or curve dimming. Click right to take effect. Color control. Here you can set the relevant parameters of cold and warm color temperature, but also need to click right to take effect. Click All Update to check whether the parameters just adjusted and whether the writing is successful. Next, divide the device A1 into the G0 group and click Quick Dimming. Quick Dimming supports short addresses, group addresses, unaddresses, and broadcast. Select short address addressing with an address of 0. Select the scenes 1 and click Go to Scene. The brightness and color temperature sliders can adjust the current lighting effect, and the button below can also take effect in time. Click Apply to Scene to apply the current lighting information to the device with a short address of 0. Open the parameter settings of A0, and you can see that Scene 1 has been set. Click Quick Dimming again, select Group Address, Address 0, and select Scene 2. Adjust the current lighting effect again via the brightness slider. Click Apply to Scene to apply the current light information to all devices in the group. Refresh the parameter settings of I0, and you can see that Scene 2 has been set. Open the parameter settings of I1, and you can also see that Scene 2 has been set.